Hey guys, how you doing? This is Patrick Roberts and I'm Momentus Building. I want to show you guys a little quick video of some of the things that can happen in your home. For this house right here, we do a maintenance for the house year round, and in the winter we give a good look over because the residents are down in Florida and we take care of the home while they're away. So we do weekly inspection, everything. And one of the things we found here was that the boiler was acting up. It had an issue. Basically, it was blowing off too much water because the pressure is up too much. There's a few things that could happen that could cause that. Now, remind you, boilers, this is a diesel boiler. These things require a lot of service, ongoing service every single year. And here's some of the issues that can crop up. So basically, when there is excess water coming out of it, this pipe right here is the water blow off. And as you can see, this is about 3 days worth of water. Now, it was Christmas weekend, so having an emergency call on Christmas Day or Christmas Eve night wasn't a great idea. So what we did is we just grabbed a bucket to catch it. We maintained the water usage for the boiler using our leak detection system, which is awesome. So we would know if there was catastrophic failure, if it blew out completely. But basically, there's a few different fixes that I want to go through right here that could be the main issues for fixing this boiler. And the cool thing is that you want to fix all three at the same time because you don't know which of these three could be, and your plumber could either charge you 5 hours going back and forth to the supply house to grab everything, to do 3 different fixes, 3 different drain downs of your boiler, or he could charge you 2 hours of labor plus the extra $70 in parts to get it all 3 of them done. So here they are. So we got a water check valve right here, right above the drain. That's number 1. Number 2, we got a relief valve that can go bad. Number 3 is the expansion tank could be bad. All these things go bad over time. We can't really tell by this issue which one it is. However, if we take care of all 3, we're pretty much guaranteed to solve the issue 99.9% of the time. So it's much more efficient to replace all 3 at once because each and every time to replace one of these, you have to drain down the system, which takes time. You have to re-energize it with the water, and that's time for the plumber. More money, more issues go wrong, and it's just kind of pedaling around here. So we're going to take care of all 3, and that way we do the right job efficiently, on time, and save some money. Alright, so right now we're shutting off all the valves, so that way we can drain down the system properly, complete the work. Basically shutting off all the zones and any supply feeds going into the boiler, and then we're going to drain the whole thing down. Alright, so that's the expansion tank right there. Drain it out so that way you can dispose of it. We already took off that relief valve right there. We're going to replace that. Here's where that expansion tank connects. Got a brand new one right there. Electric copper pipe. And it's coming along nicely. Alright, so we got the new relief valve going on right now. Just finished draining out the old expansion tank. Dumped all the water. And making some good progress after 20 minutes. Alright, so we have the expansion tank on, we have the relief valve on, everything is sweated on. We got to do a little coupling here. Water check valve is back installed, all brand new. Right now what we're doing is we are setting the pressure to the boiler itself, so that way it's at the right pressure. There's no damaging of the fittings or anything like that, and this thing will be able to function for the years to come. All right, so that brings us to the end of the video. This is about a 2-hour job to do all three. We got the new water feed valve on there, the water relief valve, and then the expansion tank is all new. These are some of the things that just go bad on a oil burner over the years. It's maintenance work, it has to be done. But the biggest thing is we don't want to waste our time being here. So instead of, maybe getting 1 out of 3 right by guessing and saving $150 or $100 on materials, we just replaced all 3 because we could have won over, and this could have been a $600 job in labor if we had to come back 3 separate times or come back in 2 months when it fails again. So a lot of the things is being efficient with our time and making sure we're providing the right value to the homeowner and providing a product that's going to be long-standing, right? So if you are a homeowner, make sure if you ever have this issue where your plumber's replacing the expansion tank or the relief valve, just say, hey, listen, replace all 3. I don't want a problem in 6 months or a year. And on top of that, I'd rather spend an extra $100 in the case of spending an extra $800. Because here's the thing, if it doesn't fail today, if it's not broken today, it's going to fail soon. So you might as well just grab all 3 at once. Guys, I hope that helped out. Patrick Robertson here at Momentus Building. Hope this provided value. If it did, please give us a like, share, and review as we're trying to grow this channel, help educate homeowners around the world. Take care.